In this video, I will show you how to add a credit or debit card to Crypto.com. To do this, open up the Crypto.com app, and what you want to do is just go to Accounts in the bottom. And what you want to do is just click on Buy from the home screen and select a cryptocurrency that you want to buy using your credit or debit card. For example, I'll select Bitcoin. Then from there, under the payment methods, you can see it says credit or debit card, and currently it's set to Apple Pay. Now, if I click add payment method, from there I get the option to add a credit or debit card. So click credit/debit card, and then here enter your card details and your first and last name, and then click on add card. Then in this case, I need to authorize the payment of 10 cents to verify that the card is mine and that it works. So then after you've done that, you will be able to find the card right here, and you can then use it to make payments. So that's how to add a credit or debit card to Crypto.com. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.